What's up guys? We are back here sa ating Bangkok travel vlog. It's me again, Mark Paragas. And I'm with Shane. Ayan si Shane. Kung nakapansin nyo, magka-turn na kami ni Shane. And for today's video, we are going to try the Vertigo Bar and Moon Bar Rooftop Bar ng Banyan Tree, Bangkok. So, nagpe-prepare kami. Actually guys, kanina, nung galing kami sa Central World, ang lakas ng ulan. Tapos nagpatila lang, buti na lang nakisama. And yan, maliwanag pa naman guys. So, currently it is 6 PM pa lang. And nag-open naman yung bar ng 5 PM. So yan, may 1 hour kaming prepare. Kasi medyo hindi maganda yung aircon dito. Kaya nag-request kami ng fan. Kaysa lumipat kami, nakakahiya kasi lumipat, diba? Kulang to, fan. Nakakuha na yung pagka-social nito. Fan lang. Wait lang. Tapos yan. Are you ready?
Yes.
Ayan. Our outfit for today. And let's see guys kung ano yung makikita natin. Rooftop bar it is. I know for sure it will be an amazing view kasi one of the best rooftop bar itong Vertigo and Moon bar nila. Alright? So tara. Vamonos! So guys, ang Vertigo is yung kanilang pinaka-dining restaurant sa rooftop. At saka yung Moon Bar, yun yung pinaka-bar nila. So same floor lang siya. Pero ang sabi, sa 59th floor lang yung elevator. Tapos sa aakyat yata, going to 61st floor. Let's go. Let's go to 59th floor. Ayan guys. Ito siya. Hello, sawadi ka.
สวัสดีค่ะเวลคัมค่ะ
ครับ
ชอบห้องอาหารได้ไหมคะVertigo Moon Bar Vertigo Moon Bar right now we are temporarily closed นะคะ due to the weather condition please ค่ะ you can drink at the lobby please
ไม่ก่อนหรอ
สวัสดีค่ะ in a moment please ค่ะ for the bar you can drink at the lobby please ค่ะ we have just booking ค่ะ
But the Moon Bar is closed.
Moon Bar right now we are temporarily closed sir about 1 or 2 hours ค่ะ we are still clean
Okay, so we can just go back after 1 to 2 hours? Ah, ito pala. Parang 1 to 2 hours pa. So yun guys, since umulan kanina, naglilinis pa daw sila. Time check, it's 6 PM. So mga 1 to 2 hours pa bago i-open. Sinasuggest na sa lobby daw kunin. Rooftop bar nga eh. Ba't sinasuggest sa lobby? Nakalagay rooftop bar, not lobby. So later, we will be back here. So yun guys, naglilinis. Ay! Baka nandito si Sadako. si Balak. Kit lang. Wag na. Sayang ang outfit. Pwede man tayo. Diretso kami ng ano. Diretso kami ng John's Fair. Pinatay mo?
Oo.
Bakit mo pinapatay? Walang patay. Kaya mo sila. Okay. First is the aircon. So disappointed sa aircon guys. Para namin gustong malamig na ba. Girl, doon na tayo tulog sa silong.
Baka sasabihin ko kasi dapat.
Gusto mo ba? Okay lang naman.
Dito ka na lang, tapos tutulog ako sa silong.
Pero gusto mo? Tutulog lang naman eh.
Sige, gising ka na.
Para lang malamig. First is the aircon. Hindi nila nagawa ng paraan. Though, nag-offer naman na ilipat ng room. Pero
ganyan din daw kayo.
Ganyan daw yung standard nila. Which is, naka 18 degrees. Pero, ang room temperature, nasa 24. So, ibig sabihin, hindi siya gumagana. Tapos, sabi ko, wala bang magagawa. Fun na lang. Tapos, aside from that, ang rooftop bar, ayan na, actually clear na, girl. Hintayin na natin.
Lugin tayo mag-John's Fair na?
Oo, hintayin natin mga 30 minutes. Tatawagan natin. Tapos, sobrang clear na,
Itawag mo sa lobby.
Sabihin ng mga tao, libre na kala kasi ang arte nyo pa.
Wala silang pakialam doon.
Ay, sumasagot guys,
Libre lang.
Ayan. Girl, yan. So, bali guys, ayun. Aside from the aircon, wala nang ulan actually. Malakas yung ulan kanina. Mag-vertigo bar kami. Si ate, hindi siya friendly kausap. Siguro ang dami na nagtatanong, ang dami niyang hinaharang. Basta close daw, tapos 1 to 2 hours. Sinasuggest kami sa lobby ng lobby. Eh, hindi nga sa lobby yung gusto namin, sa vertigo bars. Kaya nga kami nagstay dito. The reason why we stayed here, because, nakalagay na sa vertigo bar, yung complimentary namin. Eh, ayaw namin sa lobby. Gusto namin yung view. So, maghintay na lang kami ng 1 to 2 hours. Kasi ang vertigo bar naman is hanggang 1 AM, 6 PM pa lang naman, guys. Marami pa tayong time. So, hindi ko lang nagustuhan yung ano ni ate.
Oo, parang pinalalayas talaga.
Oo, parang pinapaalis talaga na doon kayo sa baba.
Free drinks lang naman pala, doon kayo sa
Parang ganun, yung parang pinamumukhang free drinks lang to, complimentary. Isampal ko kaya sa mukha niya. Charot lang. Mga ganun, no?
May ugali.
May ugali pala. Charot lang, guys. Let's be kind. Hindi, yun lang. Ang pangit lang niya makapag-usap. Ayun, ang init dito sa lugar na to. Pero, the view that we have right now is so amazing. Di ba in-upgrade nila kami? Sana hindi na kami in-upgrade. Baka mas malamig pa yung classic room nila. Ang daming arte. Ang kulit kasi may electric fan dito. Diba? Pero nabigyan naman sila ng cake. Pero yung nagbigay nito parang hindi rin friendly. Parang ang sad niya. Parang hindi siya masayang nagbigay. Ayun lang guys. Sige. Yun lang muna. So, see you guys later.
A few moments later.
Alright guys, so tumawag ako right after nung video natin kung anong oras mag-open yung Moon Bar. Sabi naman, in-explain ni ate, very friendly yung nasa lobby Tapos sabi, dahil daw sa weather condition, which is okay naman, uncontrollable naman. Pero sabi kasi maglilinisin pa nila kasi okay na yung weather. Tapos biglang wala pang 30 seconds, tumawag ulit, open na daw. So yun, check natin kung ano magiging, kung mag-i-inerte ulit yung nasa taas. Mag-inerte ba? Tayo lang nag-i-inerte. Oo nga.
Bakit sa silaw wala tayong problema?
Kaya
may libre ka ako noodles.
Kaya hindi tuloy ako nakakuha noodles. Ayan, wala si ate. Hello.
Hot drink at the bar, or you can do this wash at the rooftop.
Rooftop? Okay. Okay lang. Hey. Here. Ang cap. Parang ayaw ni ate talaga. Moon Bar?
Moon Bar.
Yeah.
Moon Bar go up 1 whole floor.
Here?
1 and half floor.
Okay.
Yes.
Cap.
It's the same floor.
Thank you. Sawadee Cap. Thank you. Ayan. Ganda good. Give it to ate. Sawadee Cap.
Welcome to the bar upstairs, please.
Okay, upstairs again. Alright, coming Cap. Thank you. Alright, thank you. Nakakapagod. Look at the view. Sawadee Cap. Sawadee Cap. Lagay mo kay ate. Where do you want? At the corner. Yeah, thank you. Okay. Here. Oh my god. Wait. Here.
Okay? Here?
Yeah. Go. Oh my god, guys. Sulit. Ang paghihintay natin. Ha? Wait na, alis ka dyan. Alis ka dyan. Oh my god, we are at the corner, guys. Sawadee Ka.
Hi, today.
Yeah, this one?
Yeah, cool. We have it for your watch, or could you pay to scan QR code from here?
Okay.
Thank you. You need to have to drink?
Yep.
Yeah.
Alright.
Yeah, there's a scan here for the shoot.
Got it.
Yeah.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Okay. O diba? Libre lang to, guys. Ang dami naman pag-i-inerte, no? Pero sobrang worth it. Ang view.
Ang init ka.
Dala ko yung ano, yun yung dala.
Bakla ka.
Palitan mo nga.
Teka.
So, we need to scan this. At saka guys, hindi siya mahangin. So, hindi siya nakakatakot. Guys, ang perfect ng view. So guys, yung aming free drinks, papabuti namin mga 1 to 2 hours. Dahil charot lang, order pa kami. Ayan guys, ang ganda ng view. So
anong order natin?
I'll order tequila sunrise. By the way, yung mga complimentary drinks na pwede yung i-grab or i-redeem is more cocktails, red wine, mocktails, white wine, mga ganun. Sosyalin guys. Dito lang talaga sosyalin. Sa atin sa Pilipinas, kapag nag-book kayo, tapos sa mga Accor hotels, yung complimentary drinks yun, either soft drinks, iced tea, yan. And then we get 1 tequila sunrise.
Yes.
And your... Do you have like a snack?
Yeah, I will bring another menu for you.
Okay.
In the menu.
Yes.
1 Moscow Mule.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Normally menu put the pin to scan here.
Okay.
Scan first and go to the Moon Bar nipple topic, please.
Thank you.
Nice have your drink.
Thank you.
Camille for
Alright. Yeah. For her. Yep.
Thank you.
And let's tequila
Tequila
sunrise.
sunrise.
And can we order like where is it?
Finger food.
Yeah. Deep fried lamb. Dark.
Lobster crisp.
And then truffle fries.
Truffle fry.
Yeah.
1 truffle fry, 1 deep fried lobster crisp. Do you have any food allergy or that you really prefer?
No. Is it spicy?
Is it spicy a bit?
Just a bit.
Yes.
Is it okay not to put the spicy or it's part of it?
I will check with our kitchen. We can
just
do
like-
that without spicy.
Or just a little?
little bit.
Just a little.
Less.
Yeah, less.
Yes.
Yes, thank you.
This is complimentary snack for you. Salted crackers.
Oh, okay.
Salted crackers, sweet potato chip, peanut with tom yum spicy sauce.
Oh, got it.
For me, a little bit. But for the other show, you
Is it
different.
unlimited?
Yeah, you can feel.
Okay, we can cancel the. Just kidding. No, no. Thank you. Thank you. Diyan ka lang.
Right, me to have to take a photo. Yes.
Thank you so much.
Know how to take the photos.
I take like this every day.
What's your name?
My name is Sin. Yes.
Thank you so much.
How can I call you?
Shane.
Sure.
Mark.
Mark, Mr. Mark and Sure.
Yeah.
Nice to meet you too.
Thank you, Sid.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Without spicy.
Thank you
Thank
so
you
much.
so much, Sin.
Enjoy your snack and
Thank
drink.
you.
Thank you.
So guys, umorder kami para hindi nakakayang free drinks lang yung kukunin namin dito. So, mojito yan, girl. Mojito, tapos may tequila sunrise ako. Yan yung libre namin na. O diba? Tapos umorder kami ng squid and then truffle fries. O yan na. Para naman hindi nakakahiya. And look at the view, guys. On the 61st floor. Grabe. So amazing, guys. Hello. Hi, ito mag-aad. Baka sabi ko, video-video mo na ito. Baka pag nalasing tayo, baka bilang madalas tayo sa...
Ay, mag-picture tayo doon? Sa hagdan? Hagdan?
Nag-video lang kami, guys. See you later.
A few moments later.
Guys, truffle fries.
Ay,
Prop. Amazing service here sa rooftop bar. Ito yung bar nila, guys. This is the Moon Bar. Tapos sa baba, sa kabilang side, ang Vertigo. Ayan, yung Vertigo is nandoon. Tapos this one is area here for picture taking. Ganda guys. Oh. Diba? Dito tayo.
Dito lงไปให้เกมเดอะคัวรี่เราอ่ะออกมาลงไปคืนนิดหน่อยแก้วที่เราพี่ใส่ตู้เย็นให้เขาหน่อย
At least a bit.
Okay. So yun ang Vertigo. Ayan. Pakita ko sa inyo. Ayan. So guys, since nandito tayo sa rooftop bar, sa may Vertigo and Moon Bar ng Banyan Tree, Bangkok. Here, cheers! And shout out kay Z at saka kay Josh na palagi nanonood daw ng vlog natin. Cheers tayo guys! Thank you so much sa pag-support saka sa panonood na rin. And hope to see you guys soon. Artista! Let's enjoy the view guys. This is Bangkok City Skyline. Ang ganda. Dito tayo sa kabila. Grabe guys, gustong-gusto ko yung mga ganitong view. As in, I'm more on the view, like ganito. So amazing. I love Bangkok talaga. Kaya nga sabi ko sa inyo guys, I feel like second home ko ng Bangkok. Kaya kung makita nyo man, mapanood nyo na palagi tayong pabalik-balik dito. At least, every vlog natin here in Bangkok, iba-iba naman, hindi yung paulit-ulit. Okay? So kung paulit-ulit man, baka may changes, katulad ng mga process nila dito, like yung mga visa from 30 days, ginawa tayo 60 days. Tapos, yung magkakaroon sila guys ng parang e-travel din by December. Para lang siyang arrival card. Ayun. Di ba dati kasi nagpipill up tayo ng paper. Kung naabutan nyo yun, ngayon wala na. But this December 2024, i-implement nila na magkaroon ng parang e-travel na rin. Travel card. So yun lang. And then, let's eat. Let's enjoy the night. Thank you so much guys pagsama sa akin dito. So ayan guys, so let's appreciate the view. And again guys, this is Banyan Tree Bangkok Hotel sa rooftop bar, which is the Vertigo and Moon Bar nila guys sa 61st floor. Ayan. So actually, kahit hindi kayo naka-check-in sa hotel, you are allowed to go here pala to dine sa Vertigo Bar or to drink dito sa Moon Bar. Sobrang ganda oh. Hanapin lang natin si Sin. Guys, this is Sin.
Hello.
She's so friendly and nice.
Thank you. Okay, you need to pay by cash 1,000 baht. I will keep the change.
Alright. Ang bait ni Sin. Tapos siya yung kumuha ng picture namin ni Shane kanina. Tapos yun. So we are done here guys. Time check, it's only 8:30 PM. Pero hanggang 1 AM to guys. And ayun, bibigyan natin si Sin ng tip. I'm so, guys. Sabihin natin galante.
This is your face.
Oh, Sin, this is for you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
You.
Yeah.
Have a good night. I hope to see you again.
Yes. Thank you. Thank you.
Have a nice trip in Bangkok.
Alright. Thank you.
See you later.
Thank you. So again guys, that's really it. And thank you so much sa pagsama sa akin at pagsama sa amin ni Shane dito sa Vertigo and Moon Bar, rooftop bar sa Banyan Tree, Bangkok. And syempre we're gonna spend more of our nights here. May pupuntahan pa kami for another vlog kasi maaga pa, it's only 8:30 PM. Diba ka na? Ito ka, sa isang hagdan.
Grabe, madami ko na ba?
Wala na.
Ito sa hallway na natin. Sorry na.
And nasaan ka? Nasaan ka? Ano dito kayo? Ano paano? Nasaan ka? Paplak. Magdang na. Picture tayo. 1, 2. Weißt du, das war nachts. Lasing gar? Oh, there. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Mark Paraga sa Twitter, and hit the notification bell para updated kayo sa mga upcoming travel vlogs natin here in Bangkok. And you can also follow my other social media account, Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. Enjoy life. Live life to the fullest. Enjoy every moment, like this moment. Sabi ko nga lang kanina guys, you will never be at this age again. Enjoy and do whatever makes you happy. May tama na. Alright, so thank you guys and see you on our next Bangkok travel vlog. Mama Chup Chup.